Understanding a sarcastic tone in English. Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of the English language, understanding a sarcastic tone. This concept can be tricky, especially for language learners, but it's a vital part of communicating effectively in English. So, let's get started and explore what sarcasm is all about. Sarcasm is a form of verbal irony where someone says the opposite of what they truly mean, often to mock or convey contempt. It's important to understand that sarcasm is more about the tone and delivery than the actual words used. This means you can say something positive but with a tone that implies you mean the opposite. Identifying a sarcastic tone can be challenging. Look for these clues. 1. Contradiction between what is said and the context or situation. 2. An over-exaggerated or insincere tone. The speaker might sound overly enthusiastic or overly bored, which doesn't fit the actual words. 3. Facial expressions and body language. These often don't match the words being said. Let's see some examples. 1. Great job on cleaning your room, said to someone whose room is very messy. 2. I just love waiting in long lines, said while standing in a long, slow-moving queue. 3. Oh, I can't wait to work on the weekend, said in a tone that clearly shows they are not looking forward to it. People use sarcasm for various reasons, including to add humor to a conversation, to criticize something indirectly, as a way of showing irritation or annoyance. It's vital to note that sarcasm is used differently across cultures. In some cultures, it's quite common and seen as humorous, while in others, it might be considered rude or confusing. I hope this video helps you understand and identify a sarcastic tone in English. Remember, sarcasm is all about the tone and context, not just the words. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.